Alright, welcome. In this video I will go through number 12 on worksheet number 2. It is probably the more difficult one. Depending on how you go about it, it can be anywhere from 2 to 3 steps. Right? I'm going to start out on this one by simply drawing this back piece right in here. Right, so this piece here. I'm going to identify this point here. Actually, let's use this point here as my start point. Right, so right in here. I'm going to start by going down 5/8 plus 5/8. So I'm going to go down 1.25. Alright, so I'm going to start a new sketch. Line tool from right here goes down 1.25. I'm going to come across. I take my 3/4 and 3/4. That is so 0.75 plus 0.75. This piece here is 1.5 inches, but my entire object is 5 inches. Right? So I'm going to take my 5 minus 1.5, and so this line here is 3.5 inches. And then it goes up my 2.5, just like in previous drawings. Comes across the top, but distance I don't know, and then back down to my start where I'll put in this 45 degrees. So back across, and then down towards my start. Now with my dimension tool, I can put a dimension in from here to here, 45 degrees. Put that dimension in one more time so you can see dimension from here to here. If you go straight up, 45 degrees. I'm going to hit finish sketch. Extrude. My extrusion, just like all the rest of them, my extrusion is 1.5 or 1.5. Back on my blueprint, this corner box starts on the back side of my drawing. So I'm going to start by rotating my object towards the back. New sketch on the back. I'm going to create a box that we said it was 1.5 by 1.25. Rectangle from this same point coming across. My bottom dimension is going to be 1.5, and again I hit tab, which switches over to my second dimension, 1.25. Right? What I can do right away is put my circle in. I have a circle that is 5 inches, or 5/8 circle. It's actually right in the middle. See how I get those crosshairs, right? So when I clicked on circle, I want to get those crosshairs right there. But I am going to come back and just put in the dimensions just to be sure. Dimensions from my right hand side here to my center is 3/4 or 0.75. So I'm going to place a dimension from my right side to my center, 3/4. And the distance from my top to my center is 5/8. Top to center. Now I can hit finish sketch. I like to do my extrusions to my home view. My extrusion for just this little piece is 3/4 or 0.75. So I'm going to click extrude. You'll notice that it doesn't automatically want to extrude it for you because it sees two shapes. So I'm going to click on the shape that I want. In this case, it's this piece. It's going the wrong way, so I'm going to switch it here. And my depth is going to be that 3/4. And hit OK. There is part number 12 on worksheet number 2.